Trash can molds are used in the high-volume production of these products, and their structures are complex and precise. Manufacturers and designers must ensure the mold structural integrity is optimal for the injection or blown molding process. Under the blue arc of an EDM machine, minute details of the mold cavity are meticulously carved from the anti-slip texture on the inner wall to the rounded corners. Each step undergoes 3 precision inspections. Once the polishing wheel polishes the surface to a mirror finish, the mold is ready for millions of injection molding cycles. Booling optimized the design and structure of the trash can mold, precisely calculating runner dimensions and layout to improve production quality and speed, while also ensuring high quality and efficient production of the trash cans.